Rooms that sleep up to 6 people close to the Disneyland Resort can get pretty pricey. Stick around to find out if the family suite at the Hyatt House is for you in this Honest Hotel Review. Hey everyone, this is Julia with Honest Hotel Reviews, and today I'm at the Hyatt House at the Disneyland Resort giving you an honest room tour of their family suite. This video is not sponsored, so if you find it helpful, give us a like, leave a comment, or subscribe, and let our conscience be your guide. We rate every room we stay in on the same 4 categories, which are cleanliness and condition, comfort and security, in-room amenities, and value. That way you can see how they stack up against each other. The Hyatt House is one of the higher rated hotels on TripAdvisor in the Disneyland area, and it has some really good amenities, which we review in some of our other videos. So if you're considering this hotel for your next trip, we encourage you to go check them out. First up is cleanliness and condition. As this is a newer hotel, all of the furnishings and decor were fresh. This is easily one of the cleanest hotels we've stayed in at the entire Disneyland Resort. Aside from a few minor bumps on the walls, everything was pristine. So we gave them a 4.5 out of 5. This suite is made up of a main bedroom with a king bed and entertainment unit, and then a second sleeping area with bunk beds, a TV, and a pull-out couch that's separated by 2 pocket doors. According to the website, this room can sleep up to 6 guests. But in my honest opinion, with 6 guests, you're gonna be really cramped, especially if you're all adults. Having a couch in the room and the extra TV was a great added benefit. However, the king bed was hard as a rock. Ben and I prefer softer mattresses, so we found it difficult to get a good night's sleep, but thankfully the pillows were really comfortable. Another complaint that we had that knocks them down a bit in this category was the water pressure. It was absolutely horrible. I know this is California and they're going through a major drought, so I don't mind low pressure. We've stayed at many hotels in this area around the same time, and the water pressure here is really bad. The room was also quite dark, and the only light option in the bunk bed area is a lamp beside the couch.
You have this light, and you have that window light, and you have TV light. That's it.
Even though we felt totally safe and secure in this room, we could only give them a 3.75 out of 5 because of the minor comfort issues. The family suite at the Hyatt House had all the amenities you would expect. The bathroom had decent toiletries, plus a full-sized hairdryer. The closet had a safe, ironing board, luggage stand, loads of hangers, and some extra bedding. The entertainment unit in the main bedroom area had a TV, a great desk area with tons of outlets for charging your devices. It also had a fridge, although it wasn't overly cold, coffee machine that actually makes a small pot of coffee, and a microwave, which isn't standard for most hotels in the area. But they really went above and beyond by providing proper glassware, including 2 stemless wine glasses and proper coffee mugs, plus a wine bottle opener and a hand towel. Here's where they could improve in this category. Even though they had lots of outlets around the room for charging devices, the outlets at the bedside were lacking. The mini fridge wasn't very cold, to the point where we wouldn't want to risk putting anything spoilable in it. And lastly, the coffee was just okay. But thankfully, they have good coffee at their complimentary breakfast buffet. There's even a Starbucks just steps from the lobby. The family suite at the Hyatt House had better than average amenities for the area, but when I'm paying this kind of premium, I expect a little more. So all in all, we gave them a 3.75 out of 5. Value is really in the eye of the beholder, and perhaps if we'd had a more comfortable sleep, we might have rated this place higher, but we landed on a 3.75 out of 5. That said, we've also stayed in hotel rooms that are similarly priced, that are more spacious and have more comfortable beds, but they tend to be a little further from the park. Rooms that sleep up to 6 can get super expensive, especially this close to Disneyland. So if you are looking for a clean room that can fit up to 6, this might be a great fit for you. I would just avoid it if all 6 of you are adults. This gives the family suite at the Hyatt House Hotel an overall score of 3.94 out of 5. While this isn't my favorite Disneyland Good Neighbor Hotel, it is new and clean, which is more than I can say for a lot of the hotels around here. Plus, it's only a 12-minute walk to the park, which is another huge perk. For more information on the Hyatt House, check out our hotel tour and review and our breakfast buffet video. If you're looking at other hotels in the area, head over to our YouTube channel or check us out at honesthotelreviews.com for more hotel recommendations and travel tips. I'm Julia, and this has been another Honest Hotel Review.